Hi, I'm Shelley Kraft, and this is Ask Mr. Wall Street. It's February 11th, 2013, and today's question is, did you ever hear of the Uncle Sam rally? There was a market report this week that said the Dow Jones Industrials were down due to market fatigue. I read this and immediately realized that I was fatigued also. I know what I did to tire myself out, but I could not reckon how the market got so fatigued. Here's why I'm confused. It's all artificial intelligence. Have we gotten to the point in technology that computers need naps? Although at times I think my own computer is tired, I don't play loud music to wake it up. Maybe the word fatigued could have been misused, and perhaps played out would have more accurately described it. And somehow that does make sense. The push to 14,000 took plenty of steam, and the buying fuel carried the ball into the end zone. The programs couldn't resist record territory, but actually a major dump occurred in conjunction with the top out. Trillions of trading dollars are flooding into the market, ladies and gents. Buckets of bucks are pouring in. Mr. and Mrs. Main Street are going to really go nuts when their tax refund checks start early arrival and borrowed funds against them guaranteed by returns start kicking in. It starts with lots of small-sized trades. Then margin players start exercising their muscle. Right now is a perfect time to buy volume and buy liquidity. Symbols don't matter to programs, so why should it matter to you? So maybe, just maybe, entry soon could be smart. So when the Uncle Sam rally lifts a leg into the market, you might just sell the tax refund rally. If the market is fatigued this week, by April 30th, it's going to need an A-Rod vitamin juice fix and loud music to keep from passing out. Do you have a question for Ask Mr. Wall Street? Send them to askmrwallstreet@gmail.com. That's AskMrWallst@gmail.com. Tune in to see if I answered your questions. You can subscribe to Ask Mr. Wall Street newsletter on StockNewsNow.com. See you later.